Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Live with Hassan Akhtar. Viewers, our today's lesson related to class 9th unit number 2. Name of the unit is real numbers and complex numbers. Viewers, about real numbers, you have studied a real line in grade 8. Upon line we represent real numbers. In addition, I would like to add to your knowledge that any number, for example number 2, it can be written 2 over 1, it can be written in another manner 1 over 2. Be clear that I did not say that 2 and 1 over 2 are equal. I said different possible options to for writing number 2. Another option can be square root 2, and one more in that 2 will be utilized. We may write 2 over 5, etc., etc. Each and every frame I spoke is related to real numbers. Whereas viewers, the complex numbers, these are the numbers in which iota is involved. What is iota? It stands for imaginary numbers. In other words, your real number is a single number, like this is the number of the unit, so it is a real number. For complex number, you will have to write it like 2 plus 0 iota. In other words, in our today's topic, it will be included that the shape of complex number will be like this: a plus b iota, etc. That is, the first part A is called real part, whereas the second part B is called imaginary part. So for a complex number, it comprises of two parts. The first part is called real part and the second one is called imaginary part. So starting our today's topic, that is exercise 2.6, we selected question number 2. Statement of question is: express each complex number in the standard form a plus b iota where a and b are real numbers. Part number 1, values are 2 plus 3 iota plus 7 minus 2 iota. Viewers, here basically we are going to understand how to add two complex numbers. As earlier told you that a complex number comprising of two parts, one is the real part and another is the imaginary part. So our first step of solution is same that of question. In the next step, we remove the brackets, so it can be written as 2 plus 3 iota plus 7 minus 2 iota. Adding the like terms, we have 2 plus 7 plus 3 iota minus 2 iota. Very simple, 2 plus 7 becomes 9, whereas plus 3 iota minus 2 iota results in plus 1 iota. That is our answer. Hope you understand the method of addition for complex numbers. I again repeat, you have to add real part to the real part and imaginary part to the imaginary part. We next select part number 2. Question is 2 into 5 plus 4 iota minus 3 into 7 plus 4 iota. Solution: first step will be same as that of question. In the next step, 2 into 5 plus iota means 2 will be multiplied with the real part as well as with the imaginary part. So you will be having 2 into 5 10 plus 2 into 4 iota 8 iota, whereas the next one minus 3 into 7 results in minus 21, and minus 3 into plus 4 iota results in minus 12 iota. Utilizing minus into plus is equal to minus, and 3 into 4 clearly 12. So simplifying the like terms, plus 10 and minus 21 results in minus 11 as is clear in your picture, whereas plus 8 iota minus 12 iota results in minus 4 iota. That gives you the answer for part number 2. Moving to the next part number 3, the question is minus into minus 3 plus 5 iota minus 4 plus 9 iota. Solution: the first step same as that of question. In the next step, just opening the brackets, outside sign minus mean the sign will go change. So we will be having plus 3 minus 5 iota minus 4 minus 9 iota. Here before the bracket sign is minus, so both the parts will be of sign minus after opening the bracket. Here inside the bracket, first one was minus, it became positive, whereas that one was plus, it became minus because of outer sign minus. Simplifying, plus 3 minus 4, very simple, result is minus 1, whereas minus 5 iota minus 9 iota results in minus 14 iota. Hope you all are understanding these easy kind of short questions. Viewers, our next part is part number 4. The value is 2 iota square plus 6 iota cube plus 3 iota power 16 minus 6 iota power 19 plus 4 iota power 25. Viewers, we have the basic definition I told you earlier. Iota is equal to square root minus 1, squaring on both sides. Iota square gives us as minus 1. Then multiplying again both sides by iota, we have iota cube is equal to minus iota. And here again multiplying both sides by iota, we utilize iota power 4 is equal to 1. Viewers, all these rules we will be using for this part number 4 solution. You need to keep all these rules in your mind for the solution. So likewise, the previous or first step of solution remains same. In the next step, first term 2 iota square remains same. 6 iota cube can be written as 6 iota into iota plus 3 into iota power 16 can be adjusted as iota power 2 whole power 8 minus 6 into iota power 19 can be written as iota power 18 into iota plus 4 into iota power 25 can easily be adjusted as iota power 2 whole power 12 multiplied by iota. Hope you are understanding the frame of breaking. In the next step, iota square is equal to minus 1, so we have 2 into minus 1 plus 6 into minus 1 into iota plus 3 into minus 1 whole power 8 minus 6 into minus 1 whole power 9 into iota plus 4 into minus 1 power 12 into iota. By utilizing iota square is equal to minus 1. In the next step, we have 2 into minus 1 as minus 2, 6 into minus 1 iota as minus 6 iota, and plus 3 into minus 1 power 8 results in plus 3 into 1. You must be knowing that minus exponent and even number results in positive sign, whereas minus having exponent odd number results in negative sign. That's why we have minus 6 into minus 1 into iota, whereas again minus exponent even number 12 results in plus 1, so 4 into 1 into iota. Simplifying the like terms, in the next step we have minus 2 minus 6 iota plus 3 plus 6 iota plus 4 iota. Gathering the real parts and the imaginary parts, we are left minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. Minus 6 iota plus 6 iota will go cancelled. You are left with plus 4 iota. So my answer in this case is 1 plus 4 iota. Hope you all understand. You need to remember the rules. Iota is equal to square root minus 1. Iota square is equal to minus 1. Iota cube is equal to minus iota, whereas iota power 4 is equal to 1. These you need to remember. Our next question number 3 is simplify and write your answer in the form a plus b iota. Part number 1 is minus 7 plus 3 iota multiplied with minus 3 plus 2 iota. Viewers, basically here we are going to study the multiplication of complex numbers. Solution, the first step same as question. Next, the multiplication pattern. See, it is very easy and interesting. Minus 7 multiplied with the next first element, that is minus 3. Then the same minus 7 multiplied with the second element. When this is completed, now use here the second element, that is plus 3 iota multiplied with the first element of the next bracket. We will be having 3 iota into minus 3, then again plus 3 iota same into multiplied with now by 2 iota. So this will be the step as I have explained. In the next step, multiplying minus 7 into minus 3 results in plus 21, whereas minus 7 into 2 iota gives you minus 14 iota. and you all know plus 3 iota into minus 3 will give you minus 9 iota, whereas 3 multiplied by 2 6 iota into iota becomes iota square, so we have 6 iota square. Utilizing iota square is equal to minus 1, we have 21 minus 23 iota plus 6 into minus 1. We have managed here iota like terms, that is minus 14 minus 9 gives us minus 23 iota. In the next step, 21 minus 6 minus 23 iota, very simple, simplifying 21 and minus 6 results in plus 15, whereas we have only 1 minus 3 iota term will remain same, so my answer is plus 15 minus 23 iota. Hope it is easy to multiply. Next is part number 3. The value is root 5 minus 3 iota whole power 2. It is of the frame a minus b whole square. Starting our solution, writing the first step same as question. In the very next step, applying a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b, we have square root 5 whole square plus 3 iota whole square minus 2 into square root 5 into 3 iota. In the next step, square root and square will go cancel. We are left with only 5, whereas square of 3 iota gives us 9 iota square. Minus 2 into 3 will become 6 into root 5, same into iota, same. Hope you understand. Iota square is equal to minus 1, so we have 5 plus 9 into minus 1 minus 6 into square root 5 iota. In the next step, we have 5 minus 9 minus 6 square root 5 iota. 5 minus 9 results in minus 4, whereas imaginary only one part that will remain same, that is minus 6 into square root 5 iota. Hope you all understand. Going ahead to the next part, part number 4, the value is 2 minus 3 iota into 3 minus 2 iota bar. Dear students, here the bar mean it is showing your conjugate. We utilize in this topic the frame like bar you studied in grade 6, grade 7 algebra questions. Here in case of complex number, when bar is utilized at the top, it means conjugate you have to take. What is the conjugate? Very simple. The imaginary part sign you need to change whenever there is the sign of conjugate, that is the bar sign, by your looking, as you are already familiar. So writing the first step of solution same. In the next step, first bracket remains same, and the second one that was containing this conjugate, you have just to change the sign of this imaginary part. It was minus 2 iota under this bar, now it becomes plus 2 iota. Now the question is converted into the previous type, that is you need to multiply the two complex numbers. Method again same. Select the first element from the first bracket and multiply with the first element of the second bracket, then again keep it same and multiply with the second element of the second bracket. After completing this, select the second element here, that is minus 3 iota, multiply it with the first of second bracket, that is number 3, again plus minus 3 iota into 2 iota. This is the manner of multiplication that makes the solution most easiest. So simplifying, we have 3 into 2 6, 2 into 2 iota gives us 4 iota, whereas minus 3 iota into 3 results in minus 9 iota, and plus into minus minus, 3 2s are 6, iota into iota gives us minus 6 iota square. Simplifying the like terms of iota and utilizing iota square is equal to minus 1. We have 6 minus 5 iota minus 6 into minus 1. In the next step, simplifying the values, we have plus 6 and minus 5 iota. You all know 6 plus 6 results in 12, whereas minus 5 iota, the single value with imaginary part remains same. Hope you all understand. Thank you very much. This was our first topic on exercise 2.6. You will see the remaining question in the next class. Thank you for joining.